can't get your camera to work on YouTube? Don't worry, because in today's video, I'll show you how to enable camera access on PC, Mac, and mobile devices in seconds. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your iOS platform, which includes iPhone and iPad, go to your settings. Scroll all the way down until you see apps. Find the YouTube app. Here you can see the permissions which you allow YouTube to access. You can turn on both microphone and camera here. On your Android, go to settings. Look for apps or app manager. Tap on apps. Search for YouTube. Tap on permissions. Tap on camera and enable it. Then go back and tap on microphone and enable it. On your computer, open a web browser and go to youtube.com. Click on the icon to the left of your address bar. Click on settings. Under permissions, you can turn on the permissions for camera and microphone here. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and